Apple's iPhone 16 Pro is here, with a bigger, heavier design, and upgraded internals. We are going to tear it down, and see what changes have been made. Remove the two pentalab screws at the bottom. Then, we start by removing the back cover. Place the phone face up on the heating mat. Use a phone opening tool to open a gap between the back cover and middle frame. Insert a pick into the gap, and slide the pick. Open the iPhone by swinging the back cover up. We can see that the new battery is very shiny. We'll get to that later. Put on stickers to protect the rear cameras. Remove the protection covers. Disconnect the battery cable and wireless charging coil cable. Take off the back cover. Nothing new about the back cover, compared to that of iPhone 15 Pro. Remove the SIM tray. Take out the earpiece. Remove the front camera assembly. It has become slightly smaller. Unfasten the screws securing the motherboard. Disconnect the cables. Flip up the motherboard gently, and the display cable will disconnect. Disconnect the proximity sensor cable. The iPhone 16 Pro motherboard is smaller, and more densely packed. The overall layout is significantly changed. The protection cover is larger, maybe for better heat dissipation. Now we are getting to the rear camera assembly. The rear camera assembly is larger, because the 5x telephoto camera is much bigger than the 3x telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro. Remove the Taptic engine cover. Apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. Pry up the cable. Remove the Taptic engine. Remove the speaker. Pull out the battery adhesive pull tabs with tweezers. The new battery is slightly bigger. There is a significant change, a steel shell. This shell is exclusive to the Pro model. It is speculated that the steel casing is designed to enhance heat dissipation. This has yet to be confirmed. Let's continue with the remaining parts. Remove the microphone. The microphone is no longer integrated with the charging port flex cable. Apply some ethyl alcohol to remove the charging port flex cable and the antenna. And now is the new machine chassis, made from aluminum. This is the new graphite-clad aluminum substructure. The last component, the screen. The new chassis, according to Apple, improves thermal performance by 5 times. iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.3-inch display with even thinner bezels and screen frame. This is the new camera control button. This button is not removable, as it is laser welded. As we wrap up this teardown, the key changes to the iPhone 16 Pro, and how they affect repair have become clear.